Hello guys, this is Mickey Faisal and today we will talk about drag and drop in RecyclerView, that how you can drag and drop and change the position of RecyclerView items. So let me just show you a quick demo first. As you can see that we have a RecyclerView and I am changing its position now, and you can set anywhere the position. You can drag and drop anything, any item at any position. Okay, so today we're going to talk about this drag and drop. So let's just talk about start it. So first we need to create a simple recycler. So for that, let's get started with creating a adapter class. First let's set a recycler view in the XML file. Okay. Relative layout. I'm just setting a simple recycler view here, and instead of using the recycler view scroll, use nested scroll view, then use recycler view. So your views cannot blink while scrolling. ID recycler recycler view. I recommend that if you use the recycler view inside the nested scroll view, that will be a best practices. So for disabling the recycler view scroll, set nested scroll false. Now it will scroll recycler view. Okay, so just copy this id and come to your main activity file, type recyclerview, find the id, id dot. Okay, now we need to create an adapter. Okay, so demo adapter. For now you can give whatever you want to name. Okay, sorry, I created a class in Kotlin. Let me create in Java. So demo adapter, this will be a simple adapter as we always create our adapter. So extend adapter, choose this one, and demo sorry, adapter dot view holder, press edit enter, implementing the methods. Now this will make a constructor. This is fine now. So for cycler view layout, let's create a layout file, name it as cycler item layout. You can name it whatever as you want. So relative layout. Okay, fine. Just use web content and create a background for the item. So bg recycler shape, enter. Is fine. Shape rectangle, then solid, sorry, solid color white, type corners for the radius, 10 dp, Okay, so background file is created now, and we'll set as background bg recycler view margin 5 dB, elevation will be 2 dB. The elevation will be provide our a shadow, and let me give a padding to this one. Padding will be 15 dB. Okay, now I'm gonna type a text which will be web content. Sorry, text, text, text color will be black. Text size will be 16 dB. Okay, this is fine now. This class ID. Yeah. So title text view. Okay, this is fine. Okay, this is totally fine. Just copy this ID from here. Come to your adapter. Text view. Come inside your view folder. Type item. Sorry, item view dot find view button ID dot. Okay, this is done. And now we need to create a constructor. So constructor context context. Okay, we only okay, and list. So for list, I'm gonna use a string kind of list. So list here. Sorry, press Alt insert. Press Alt insert for creating a constructor. Okay, this is fine now. And now we need to set the view. So for setting up the view, we need to create a data form text inflate r dot layout dot main parent roles view holder view. And let me just create a list of string. We will gonna create a list in the activity file. So I'm list dot size, and if list size not equal null, and then list sorry greater than 0 and not equal null, then title. So list get 0. So that's a title. Okay, and now type holder dot text view set text, which will be title. Okay, so our adapter side of work is done now. You can see here. Okay, so this is fine now. Now we just need to. Now I'm going to create another file, setting up the recycler. So create a demo recycler view. Okay, so now we just need a recycler view for that. recycler view. Here we will gonna create a list. I'm just creating another class for setting the recycler view, for showing that what kind of best practices you can do for recycler view, creating a separate class which you can use anytime anywhere. You do not need to set the many lines of code multiple times in different kind of activities or different kind of classes. So let's create an adapter for sorry constructor. So we just need a recycler view in the constructor, and now you can set the adapter class here. So demo adapter, demo adapter. Okay, and we will gonna create a list. So private, we'll set a type of string. Sorry, mm, values. Okay, fine. Sorry, actually, I was making in a sorry. Forgot sometime that this is not Kotlin. So now we need to create a string. Sorry, list. So list will be a new array list. Fine, and let's just add some data to it. So values one. Just press Control T. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's just set 0. So return list. Okay, this is fine now. So now we just need to set the recycler view. Set recycler view. Okay, fine. So now just recycler view dot set layout manager. Type new linear layout manager. Sorry, context. We need to use the constructor, so will extend a constructor to find change our settings of our constructor. So just type Control X, press Alt, insert, and select the context and recycler view. Fine. Now set your adapter. So demo adapter will be demo adapter. Type context and values list. Recyclerview dot set adapter. This will be demo adapter. Okay. So now just it is fine. So simply just set a demo recycler view. Recycler view. Demo recycler view. We have as we have created the fine. So okay, so this is all you need to do for setting up your recycler. Now for drag and drop, we will need item item touch help. So create any steps of item touch help, item touch help class, and you will need to okay, fine. Now you need to callback. So type simple callback. Fine. This is one. This is the one. create a simple callback instance. Simple, sorry, simple callback. Okay, this is fine now. Now you can set it here. Simple callback. You can attach the recycler view. Recycler, recycler. Okay, fine. This is fine. Now you need to set some parameters to dot up, so up, and just copy this one. Control V, Control V, Control V. Okay, this is the boot time, and just type 0. Now change the values. So up, down, start. This will provide the directions. Start and okay, this is fine now. Now come to the, now you can see better. Now we need positions. For that we have our view holders here too. We need uh, from position to two position, so we will name it as a teaser from position position. So here we have a view holder, and then we will get it at the position, and control D changes to two position, and just change the target. Here is the target, and here is the view holder. And now set type collections dot swap. Okay, now pass the list. So sorry, values list from position to position, and sorry, recycler view dot get adapter dot notify item. So from position to position. Okay, so this is it. Now let me just run the application. As you can see that we have created an recycler in separate class. This is, I think this is the best practices, from one of the best practices. You can say that you can create a separate recycler in a separate class, and for uh, you can use the item touch helper for setting the clicks and the perform events on the recyclable items without setting up the listener on click listeners in the adapter. You can directly use the item touch helper for event performing events on RecyclerView. Okay, maybe it will take a bit time to build a good. Just refresh the okay, fine. Why is it? Oh, sorry, I didn't call the function. Sorry, sorry. Okay, now let me just run that. Okay, as you can see that our list is created. So I think I have changed the values, and there is something. There is something. Why the values comes over? list. Okay, fine. This is fine. Fine here. Okay, so let me show you that. Okay, so as you can see that our drag and drop is working fine. So thank you for watching. Like the video, please do like, share, and comment your queries.